this is Michael, and sorry for not uploading in a long time. My life has been very boring during this quarantine, but let's unbox this beautiful, beautiful package. Okay, so let's unbox it, but make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up because I know you want to. And let's get into the video. I hope you enjoyed this video because it is about me getting my new gaming mousepad for playing video games, and it's pretty cool. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed me unboxing it. So hope you subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, and I also changed rooms because yeah, it was kind of too bright in the room. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see ya in the next video. Peace, guys. This is Michael, and I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a long time, but I'm gonna be unboxing this beautiful package. But yeah, just make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up, okay? Oh my god! No, I'm not gonna restart the video!